Hello guys, so I've made a lot of money using this platform. You can see from my withdrawal record, you can see I've made a lot of money. There are ways you can make money here. This one is 30,000, this one is 5,000, for this one is 12,490, this one is 180, this one is 13. I have a lot of ways which you can make money with this particular platform, and it's paying. I've made video about it the last time, so I'm here to tell you ways on how to earn money with this particular platform. So all you have to do is to click the link on my description box or comment section and register. You understand? And also when register, remember to not to forget your, what's it called, your trade password, because that's what you use and withdraw. So once you log in to your dashboard, once you register, it will bring you here. So this is place where you can earn money with this particular platform. So we have here stable, we have VIP, we have activity. So before you can buy all these ones, before you can buy VIP and activities, you have to buy stable first. Stable runs for 31 days, which means if you buy stable of 3,000, it will run for 31 days before you can withdraw. If you buy 10,000 naira own, it runs for 31 days. And also they have VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3. I think VIP 2 starts with this. Let's click here to know. Sorry, let's click here to know the VIP that you want to register. So VIP starts from 3,000. You understand? VIP 2 starts from 35,000. You get? And VIP 3 starts from what, 80,000. VIP 4 starts from 600. So depending on the VIP you want, if you want VIP 1, you can buy 3,000, 10,000 on 22,500 naira on. Then VIP 2 starts from 53,000 naira on. So then another, if you want to be earning steady with this particular platform, you click this VIP here. So for VIP 1, you only need, you can buy products here for 2,000 naira, which will be giving you 1 3 steady, which you can be withdrawing every day. You understand? Like I said, stable runs for 31 days before you can withdraw it, and VIP runs daily, which you can withdraw that 1 3 daily. You understand? So that's just it. But before you buy the VIP, you will buy the stable first. So like, let's say now you want to buy VIP and stable, you have to recharge 5,000 naira. Then you buy VIP. Sorry, you have to recharge 5,000 naira. You buy stable 3,000 and VIP 2,000. You understand? This one is if you invite 6 people, you can do 200 naira on and receive 2,000. It just runs for 1 day. You understand? Then this activity comes, as in this activity come, I don't know how to put it, but you can withdraw this daily if you buy it. You understand? But before you buy this one, you must buy stable first. You understand? Before you buy this one, you must buy stable first. So this one, if you recharge 2,000 naira, then you'll be receiving 600 naira daily for 7 days. All will be 4,002, the same as 7,000 naira, the same as 22,500, depending on what you want. I hope you people understand this. And also, another way to earn is just once you withdraw, you come here, you see this block down here. Just click it. You see people are posting the alert. If you post the alert, they will give you money depending on what you post. You understand the amount you post. Like this one posted 5,985. They gave him or her 600. This one depending on what you posted. So all you have to do is to click this. Sorry. All you have to do is to click this release here. Click this upload picture. Click here and upload the alert you receive from this master. Write whatever you want to write on this content box. After which you have done, you post it. You understand, you receive money. And another one which you can earn more is from referral. Here from your team. If you refer anybody that you refer, you will get one spin. And also referral, what's it called, commission. You get one spin and referral commission. So once you get that one spin, once you refer person and the person is valid, as in the person bought any package, both the stable, VIP or clinical, they will give you one what's it called, spin, which you can spin, can win any amount of money there. So let's click it. So I don't have anybody yet. So assuming you registered for, as in assuming you refer someone and that person did this thing, is a valid register, he or she bought a package, you will see one spin here which you will click start. It will spin. If you get 9,999 is 100,000. This one is 100,000. This one is 1,000. This one is 3,000. This one is, so anyone that this thing spin to, that's what you are getting to. You understand? So that's way to earn money from this platform. And also this activity changes all the time. You understand? This activities changes all the time. You might come next time and see another package. You understand? So the earlier you bought, better for you. So that's just it. So click the link on my description box or comment section to register now.